welcome here. This is still to be Waterfall. Here I'm Boko, and this is the bordering place of Meghalaya and Assam. This is the most beautiful waterfall I have ever seen in Assam here. And even I have explored the waterfalls of Meghalaya, but this is the topmost and this is very big, and it is the really beautiful place that I have ever seen. So welcome everyone, and do come on this place to have an exploring excitement, guys. Come on, move on, come up to this place. Thank you, guys. Do come on to this place. Bye bye. Come on, move up there. Come on. You got the roots of the tree. As like I can actually hear, like Tarzan. You have a good shoot. But there is a problem with me here. The diamond, I'm on it here. And took it early. Shoot. Hey guys, come on. I'm thorny tree to that. Look at the thorns. Oh, and good here. Taking my head down, I'll have to move. Around, done. After that rock, after that. Okay, whatever I will. Because there is no side here. So I'll move that side. Keep watching me. Keep watching me. It's dangerous. It's dangerous a little. Okay. I'll jump here. Yeah, I've done it. Please. There is the way from here to that side up here. Green over the head. And rocky down the river. Wow, nice. Look up this tree. Isn't it nice, guys? My friends have done so late. They're not come yet. Oh, something come into my eye. Hello guys, look at this pond. Made by this river water. Look at a beautiful place over there. Look, isn't that beautiful? But you are still unable to see the proper view from here. As you go close, you'll be able to see the proper view. And you'll be really excited. Look, here also, over there also. Here are also some waterfalls. And if you were Tarzan, then he would have climbed through the waterfall from the bottom side to up to the top over there. But there is a problem, because the rocks or the root that a waterfall is coming down is pretty slippery, and the force from the water to a downside is pretty forceful, you know. It's gonna make you fall down easily because it's pretty hard to climb up. Okay, whatever. I'm not going to climb up there because I'm not Tarzan. What I'm capable of is to show off that is needed for you. Look, how beautiful. The stream of the water is coming toward me in Sildubi or near Malankona, I don't know, but the name of the waterfall is Sildubi Waterfall, and first place is Malankona. And there are tiny particles of the water which are making a little bit foggy, you know, because of the force from up to down here that made them break and fly onto the water, you know, onto the areas, on in the area. Oh, my friends are still up. There is a sitting place. Pretty nice. Down the shade of the tree. And have the view of the waterfall. Wow, pretty exciting, you know. Very nice view from the upper side at the downward waterfall that I showed you before. Okay. Looking. Wow, nice. Full of pleasantry place, you know. Okay. Keep. This means this is the rainy season that people then you have to come to site, and then this is not a proper place, proper weather to watch. Wow, look. Isn't this beautiful, guys? Isn't this beautiful? Wow, nice here, nice. It's mind-blowing, you know. This is all made by the nature, you know. These are all made naturally. Nobody has created, even the God. Not a God has created this place, you know. It is made naturally. Naturally doesn't mean that made by God. No. This is natural. Giving us surrounding view, okay? A little bit. It can be a little bit rough from my mobile, you know. Whatever, I'm trying to give you a good view, okay? Thank you for watching. Even here, as you can see, this view, very beautiful view. I'm showing you. Okay, again, okay. Wow, nice. Here, I'm giving you a surprise, you know. Here is the utmost place, you know. And this is the topmost part, you know. This is the topmost part of the waterfall, and I'll be showing you just nicely, you know. With a very pleasant mind, keep watching. It is pretty uphill, you know. It is topmost part of this waterfall. Here, as you can see down here. It's a very good place to take a warm view of this place. Wow, nice. Hello! Woo! I'm screaming all the time, you know. Hey! Woo! There is still unable to look at me, but here are the what called farming ground of the Garo people. They are making zoom cultivation over there, okay? They will be cultivating maize, paddy. Wait, coming, wait. They are calling me. Wait, take a photo of my zoom the camera, your super camera, you know. I'll be climbing from this side. Yes. Oh, good. Wow. It's unbelievable that this is the very part of the waterfall. That from this part, the whole waterfall has made a beautiful view down here. Even from the topmost part. Wow. Okay. It's a little bit slippery also. Yes, coming. They're calling me again and again because it's becoming late, you know. It's getting evening, you know. Look how I'm climbing down. Oh, creeping like some serpent, you know. Wow. I'm creeping all this rock, you know. Like this. Yeah. Wow. But there is a place again. I'll try to show you off. Woo! Hello everyone! Here I am on the top of the waterfall, you know. And here 3 of you are shy. Wow. What a sounding of the waterfall and the roaring sound is pretty beautiful and cinematic, you know. Hello guys, this is the most beautiful waterfall near Boko and it comes towards Meghalaya. Hello guys! And I'm wearing helmet because I'm come on bike with my friends. We have explored 2 places today. If you want to watch what I've explored today, then just check on my channel every video, then you will get my video, guys. Thank you guys.